Okay, good morning. I'm going to talk today about how you should set up your math interactive notebook. You actually are going to have two notebooks working side by side. One is going to be your digital notebook, which you received a file like this today. If you're in honors, yours says honors. So you should go ahead and click in to where it asks you to type your name, an hour, and erase type name and hour. Or you can leave, I guess, hour there and put your hour next to it. Okay, so that's the first thing you're going to do. The notes that we're going to take today in our notebook are going to follow along with the real number system on pages or slides 3 and 4. Okay. So let's go ahead and get started into our notebook, and we're going to talk about how to set that up. So on your notebook, the first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, put your name on the cover and what it's for. So I'm going to write, this is going to be the Honors Math Notebook. You should write your name. You should write my name, and you should write what hour you are. Okay, so I just have my name because obviously I'm the teacher, and you're going to put your name and then my name underneath it. Going inside, I have a nice one here that has a folder, but you don't need that. I also have one that has graph paper, but if you have a standard notebook that has the regular notebook lines, that's just fine as well. So on this first page, again, just write, this belongs to, and your name. Your class hour. You can say what section you're in. So if you're either in core math or honors math. And then you can put your teacher name, which would just be my name again. Now in our book, we want to keep track of what notes we're taking and what page they're on. So on this next page, and actually these 2 pages and the 2 pages after that, we're going to make those our table of contents, or what I like to call the TOC. So we're going to want to put the unit number that we're in. Draw this all the way across. Your topic or table of contents. And lastly, the page numbers. If you're working on regularly lined paper, using these margins is perfect for what we're going to do. And I'm just going to draw these lines all the way down. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this page. And I'm going to do the same on these 2 pages at a later time. So when I go to this next page, I'm going to label that page number 1. I'm just going to put that number in the corner. This will be page number 2, and I will just continue on laboring throughout the book. And that is how you're going to set up your paper math interactive notebook.